underway. Goldberg measuring Lesnar, and quickly Brock Lesnar delivers a German suplex to Goldberg. Lesnar quickly, and another one, and Goldberg is going to Suplex City. The Beast is on the hunt. Suplex to Goldberg. A takedown by Goldberg to Lesnar, and just when Lesnar thought he had Goldberg down, Goldberg turned the table. It could be deja vu. Brock Lesnar's had enough. Goldberg in trouble. And a Beast with Goldberg up on his shoulders. Goldberg got out of it once. F5. Cover. Hooks the leg. Brock Lesnar is the new Universal Champion.
Here's your winner and the new Universal Champion, Brock Lesnar!
Panalo!
Who's next?
Takbo to. Mababa ka tumalun eh. Dapat pag nasa air ka itong ano. Diyan ka tatalon. Tempo mo.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Uy!
Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home.
Only professionals only.
Wait! That was
Wonderful! Bravo! Bravo!
This is going to be big. This one's going to be epic. It's like two titans clashing in front of us. Two once-in-a-lifetime athletes with competitive fire enshrined in their DNA.
Triumphant once again, we coming to win.
What's up sa inyo mga unggoy? So thank you guys for watching our videos dito sa GplanaSquad, and I hope na supportahan nyo palagi kami. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell para always updated kayo sa every new videos namin. And don't forget to click here our channel, and ito yung mga bagong videos namin, mga latest, and I hope na panoorin nyo guys, and stay up home na kayo palagi guys. So keep safe everyone. Unggoy Herald signing out. Peace out. Delete!